The power of adaptability. How adaptability drives leadership success. Adaptability is a vital skill for anyone looking to succeed in today's fast-paced, ever-changing business world. In particular, adaptability is a critical component of successful leadership. Here, we will explore the power of adaptability and how it drives leadership success. First, it's important to define what we mean by adaptability. In the context of leadership, adaptability refers to the ability to adjust to changing circumstances, think on your feet, and make decisions quickly based on new information. It also involves being open to new ideas, feedback, and approaches to problem solving. One of the main reasons adaptability is so crucial for leaders is that it allows them to stay ahead of the curve. In today's business landscape, things are changing faster than ever before. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, global markets are more interconnected than ever, and customer preferences are constantly evolving. Leaders who can adapt quickly to these changes are more likely to succeed. For example, consider a CEO who leads a company that produces DVDs. As streaming services become more popular, it becomes clear that the DVD business is in decline. An adaptable leader would recognize this and quickly pivot the company's focus to streaming services, rather than continuing to focus on DVD sales. This type of flexibility and willingness to change course is essential for leadership success in a rapidly evolving business world. Adaptability is also crucial for leaders because it helps them build strong relationships with their teams. When leaders are willing to listen to feedback and adapt their leadership style based on what works best for their team members, they build trust and respect. This, in turn, creates a more positive and productive work environment. For example, consider a manager who has a team of employees with diverse work styles. An adaptable leader would recognize that different team members may respond better to different approaches. Some team members may prefer a more hands-off approach, while others may need more guidance and support. An adaptable leader would adjust their management style to meet the needs of each team member, creating a more effective and cohesive team. Another key aspect of adaptability is the ability to embrace failure and learn from it. Leaders who are willing to take risks and try new things are more likely to achieve success in the long run. However, it's important to recognize that not every new initiative will be successful. When things don't go as planned, an adaptable leader will take the time to analyze what went wrong and make adjustments for the future. For example, consider a startup founder who launches a new product that fails to gain traction with customers. They would take the time to gather feedback from customers and analyze the market to make informed decisions about how to adjust their strategy for future success. Finally, adaptability is crucial for leaders because it allows them to stay focused on the big picture. When leaders are too rigid in their thinking, they may become too focused on specific tactics or strategies, losing sight of the broader goals and objectives of the organization. For example, consider a CEO who is leading a company through a period of rapid growth. An adaptable leader would recognize that the tactics and strategies that worked in the past may not be sufficient to sustain growth in the future. In conclusion, the power of adaptability cannot be overstated when it comes to leadership success. Leaders who are able to adjust to changing circumstances, build strong relationships with their teams, embrace failure and learn from it, and stay focused on the big picture are more likely